How to see all comment history on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. In here, scroll down and click on Activity Center. After that, click on Comment History, which is the second option. After that, you will find all your comment history in here. You can simply click on it as well to watch the video where you have commented. This is how to see all comment history on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.